Chris, welcome back. Love reading your stuff, and everybody's kind of wondering how long these trades can go on. At some point, there will be a price at which buyers refuse to step in. It's not this morning, by the way. These stocks are higher once again. But like options, I guess some equities may have expiration dates. What are you seeing in the options market?
Sure. So, absolutely. Like you're saying, we're looking at these meme stocks and they're trading like out of the money call options. So you talked about the volatility. Typically, stocks and volatility kind of move in different directions where, when you're more confident in a stock as a long-term investment, you don't want that volatility. But in the meme stock instance, investors are looking for volatility. They're looking for momentum. They're looking for big moves, just like you'd be looking at an out-of-the-money call option. But just like an out-of-the-money call option, those out-of-the-money call options expire. Now, while meme stocks don't necessarily expire, as we saw in January, these explosions in value typically don't last forever. So just like a call option expires at some point, these meme stocks are likely going to expire at some point. You've even heard it from the AMC CEO saying, I'm not sure about stock at this level. So we'd be looking for, when volatility starts to decrease in these names, those momentum chasing investors, which momentum's been a great strategy, moving on to something else. So keep an eye on implied volatility levels. That might tell you when this current move is about to expire.
Well, the implied vol, as we just laid out, and people, it's 5:55 in the morning. People are like, implied volatility, where's my coffee? All right, 450% is unbelievably down from the peak, but it's still huge. What kind of number would we see an implied vol for some of these names, Chris, that would signal to you that that move is indeed happening? It doesn't appear to be now.
Sure. Yeah. So like you said, 450% implied volatility. I was looking at AMC yesterday afternoon, and it was implying about a 40% move till the end of the week. So that's just over the course of 4 days. And in terms of, what implied volatility is going to signal a stock coming back down to earth a little bit. It's hard to say an exact number, but, if you start to move down, you have a day where the stock doesn't move a lot and implied volatility is down 50 points, let's just say. And you don't really get that movement, the momentum chasing investors. And like I said, momentum has been an extraordinarily great strategy over the last year. Momentum chasers might start to see the stock not moving as much, that implied volatility level coming in, and say, all right, well, let's move on to something else. So what's the next one?
Well, here, go back to the 40% move, Chris. I mean, do we have any indication of which way that 40% move will be? Because that's kind of a big question.
Yeah, no, and that's a huge move. And no, we don't have an indication on that. I think that if you are watching the stock and we're implying a 40% move this week, and you start to see, like I said, the stock not, moving as much to the upside, you start to see volatility levels coming in. That's more likely to be to the downside. Now, what we have noticed this week is a very clear trend, or recently a very clear trend of on Monday, investors getting back into the stock moving up into the middle half of the week. But then towards the weekend, we start to see investors maybe closing down on some of the long positions that they've made money on during the week as they head into the weekend. So if I'm looking for a trend for the stock, that's what I'd be looking for. I'd be looking for first half of the week into like maybe Thursday. We see more movement to the upside, but on Fridays, we have seen the stock pull back a bit.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.